if someone is like considering getting a divorce from their spouse, and they're trying to figure out like, how do I navigate this process? They don't know what to do.
Yeah.
What do you think someone should do? What are their first steps to figure out how they should tackle that whole situation?
So assuming you've figured out from the emotional level that you're ready to go forward, because I would say if you haven't, go to counseling, go to marriage counseling, go to individual counseling, do some soul searching, figure out what you need to do if you're at that point. If you are wanting to look at, okay, what does this actually look like from a procedural point of view? There's a couple things that they could do. One, they could have a consultation with a lawyer and just sit down and say, this is the situation. This is what I'm thinking. What does this look like? And hopefully the attorney gives them enough information for them to decide, some of the baseline level questions that they have with respect to whether or not they want to move forward. The other thing is too, here in Arizona, the Maricopa County Superior Court has a really good self-service website. So they have instructions and forms. And so you can at least look to see like, okay, what do these documents look like? What does a petition look like? What does a final decree look like? What does a parenting plan look like? What do I need to know with respect to a parenting plan? So they can look at that. It is a one-size-fits-all type of form. So it tries to cover everything. And at the same time, there's no way it covers everything. So it's a lot of fill in the blanks and check the boxes in those. But if that's, where you want to just kind of get a visual aspect of what things look like, that's a good place as well too. But I really do think a personal consultation with a lawyer is a good place to start, because you don't have to commit at that point, at least not with us. There's many times I sit down with people who say, I'm just exploring this as an option. I just want to get an idea of what this looks like. And I sit down with them.
Yeah.
It's just a consultation. And then, sometimes I never hear back from them. Sometimes I hear back from them soon. Sometimes it's 2 years later and I hear back.